Investigators say, incredibly, Hill swallowed 62 bags of cocaine, then boarded a United Airlines flight from Bogota to Houston, and ended up at this hotel near Bush Intercontinental Airport. And man, it all seems to have unraveled in room 408.
What is your emergency?
I swallowed packets of cocaine in one purse.
Do you know how many packets you swallowed?
62.
62 packets?
Yeah.
It is a 9-minute, 13-second 911 call that will blow your mind. A stunning conversation between a man identified as Hill and a woman trying to save his life.
The blood has nowhere to go, and like veins are bulging.
Boy, it is really strange, I'll tell you what. At one point, the 911 operator asked the caller, why did you swallow 62 packets of cocaine? And she does get her answer. You are going to hear that coming up at 10 o'clock tonight.
Sounds like he's lucky to be alive, Joel.
For sure, Bill.
All right. Thank you very much. Look forward to your report.
New tonight at 6 o'clock, the Greater Houston Partnership unveiled a new campaign today to show everybody just how great our city is. It's called Houston, the City with No Limits. Now, this campaign is expected to highlight everything Houston has to offer, including restaurants, public parks, and employment. The new campaign will also have a website that'll showcase Houston neighborhoods, as well as a cool quiz that can match users with Houston communities.
We're so excited to launch this campaign. It's really a culmination of a lot of research. It's very research driven, and so we're real proud of that. We feel like that's one of the reasons it's become such a targeted and well-targeted campaign.
We all will be able to see this campaign content through TV, newspapers, and social media.
More than half of Houstonians who live here are renters, which is why we've made it our mission to look out for your rights as a renter.
So tonight we are holding a phone bank to help get your questions answered. Local 2 consumer expert Amy Davis live for us in Studio B tonight. And Amy, this is timely since summer is really a busy month or a couple of months for moving.
Well, that it is, Dominique. It's why the Houston Apartment Association wants to help by taking your calls. The number to call is 713-271-1905. Right now, HAA's Debbie Sulzer is joining me. You told me you've taken a few calls already about leases, people with questions about lease contracts. What should someone planning to move within the next few weeks who rents know about that contract?
Oh, definitely. The most important thing for them to remember is to go and check their lease and make sure the expiration date and time so that they know exactly when the expiration is going to occur. And there's a requirement of the notice from them, whether it's 30 days, 60 days that they need to give. It'll help save them a lot of unexpected charges.
A lot of people getting tripped up that they think just because my lease